This guide will walk you through the steps to add a new attorney when placing an order at drlegalprocess.com. Enter your case number. Then enter the court's city and choose your court. Under Attorney of Record, click the Select button and choose New to add your new attorney. Click on the first name field. Then enter the attorney's first name. Now click on the last name field and enter the attorney's last name. Next, click the attorney's bar number field and enter the attorney's bar number. If your state doesn't have bar numbers, enter a 0 or a period. Click to add the attorney's email address. And now enter the attorney's email. Click on the phone number field and enter the phone number. Now click the Add Temporary Password button and enter a temporary password. Click the Confirm Password field and enter the temporary password again. Finally, click the Save button to save the new attorney's information. You will now see the new attorney listed when you click on the Attorney of Record button. Choose them, and then click the Next button to proceed to the next step in placing an order. Thank you for learning how to add a new attorney when placing an order in your D&R Legal Process Service, LLC account. Please access your account through our website at drlegalprocess.com.